What up, YouTube? In this video I'm going to show you how to make a simple, one of these RC car toys speaker. You just plop out of an old toy or something, that uses a speaker. I'm going to show you how to make one of these, just play sound from your phone. Now, this is a bit complex. One part you need complex. It's this. You need the actual drive to a headphone, either that don't work, or, you just rip up some good headphones. And you need to completely strip it to where there's a top part, the top part shows, and the only top part it's metal. Right there, it's metal. And you're going to make sure it has another side on it that is metal also. Wish this damn camera would be better. Fuck. It says it's HD, but it's really freaking not. Anyway, and you're gonna need a little speaker. You can buy at Dollar General. You can't buy the actual speaker at Dollar General or any other store. You can just buy one of these toy guns that make sounds. At Dollar General for about $1. Tear it apart, get the speaker out of it. You can do a lot with them. The only downside about this process is that it's not amplified, so unless your phone pushes out at least, I really don't know how many amps you have. I don't know how many amps a speaker has to have to push out good bass too, and good quality sound. Hold up. Ah, come on, piece of crap. Hold on, I'm gonna go turn my damn TV down.
You okay?
Okay, that's taken care of. So anyway, yeah, let's go ahead and start this process. Where the hell am I? Okay, first what you're gonna do is, well, actually, the only thing you need is the only top part that's metal. See that little metal right there on the top? That's the only thing you need. The rest is there for you. Okay, so take a very strip the wire very thin like that, and wrap it around. Hold up. And wrap it around that part. Wrap it around that part. That whenever it gets to the circle right there. Yeah, just go ahead and wrap it around there. Damn wire. Hold up. This will take about 5 minutes to do at most. If you're a pro at this, you can probably do it in less than 30 fucking seconds. Okay. Alright. God damn it, came out of the damn hole. LOL, that's what she said. Okay, I got it. Finally. See how I wrapped it around that little part? Now, you're going... Okay. First of all, plug the damn thing into your phone whenever you get it wrapped around. So that way, it's right there. The wire's wrapped around right there, the part it ends at. That it can't go any further. Now, you're going to either solder or just touch the other wire on the very tip. Play your music and you'll have shitty ass sound. Like this. Oh, wait, it ain't plugged in all the way. It's picking up that nothing's plugged in. Goddamn piece. Okay, now it's picking up that the headphone is in. Now you're going to hear some very shitty sounds, so don't dislike this video because of the sound. You can use an amplifier or something. Hold up. Hold up, I gotta... I'm gonna hold this damn thing on there. Where's the damn microphone? Let me turn down the damn bass. That's how shitty the sound is. If you want, you could probably nigger rig it and, you know, hook up an amplifier to it. But why do all that just to amplify this little piece of shit when you could just buy a speaker like this, hook it up to a real amplifier? Okay, that's basically all I want to show you today, is how to hook up a little piece of crap, shitty sounding speaker you could buy. You could rip out one of these damn toy guns that make sound. Okay, goodbye.